Well guys, I'm outside the famous Four Jacks drink exchange, but it's gone. Oh no! What's happened? Where can it have gone? Totally empty, guys. We've got the new bullpen over the road there, part of the grill house. Not sure what the bullpen actually is, but I guess we will soon find out. Now, a lot of people have been hazarding guesses at where the new Four Jacks would be going. And well, this is my suspicion, guys. What was the old shoe shop? What do you think? I personally think that is where Four Jacks will be going. Right next door to the beer garden there.
Anywhere, maybe and they will come over. You want sometime? See over here sometime. The local wine is Spanish beer only to you, okay? So like you like it one time.
We've got the brick station there. With Mr. Bean. Then we have the Red Lion. Then we've got the Temple Irish Bar. And then we have the fabulous Florida Bakery, where we have Sarah, Mercedes, and Miguel, I believe.